How's it going, guys? Truck Some Water here, and it's actually a very wonderful day in East Tennessee, and I've got a truck review for you all. Cannot wait to show you. So here's a preview of it. That's all I'm gonna show. So, alright guys, we just got done with his shoot. If you haven't seen the video, tag will be popping up right now. Make sure you go out and check out Blake's 12 valve swapped OBS. It's an awesome truck. Cannot wait to see the finished product on that truck. It's gonna look so bad. Anyways, so right now I gotta go to Walmart and see if I can get a new GoPro case thingy for the outside of it that attaches onto my thing, because apparently it broke off because I dropped it. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do right now. Then we're gonna go. I don't know where this weekend's gonna take us because it's Rod Run prep weekend, so it's almost time for Rod Run. Cannot wait for that. So make sure you check out those videos coming out next week. There's gonna be a lot of them, let me tell you. So yeah, it's kind of the game plan right now. Alright, so when Walmart doesn't have your stuff, you gotta drive 30 minutes to go to freaking Best Buy. Wonderful. I mean, I like Best Buy and everything. It's a lot better than going to Walmart. And I don't know what it is, but I think if y'all live in Tennessee, of East Tennessee, I don't know, I haven't seen many out in Middle and West Tennessee, but in East Tennessee we have this gas station called Waggles, and it's like a convenience store, gas station style deal. But last night I was up there. I just got back from my girlfriend's. I was up there and I had to fill up gas. I don't know what it is, but I think it's turning into the new Walmart of gas stations, because of the fact that every time I go there, especially late at night, I see something really weird and odd. Like last night I saw a couple making out on top of the base, on top of the gas pump, pretty much. Like they were up against it while pumping gas. I mean, hey, whatever floats your boat, I guess, but I mean, it's kind of dangerous, I would think, but hey, it's what it is. But of course, before we go into West Knox and Best Buy, have to spur out the truck again, because now the pollen's coming out in East Tennessee, and that means bugs. Still rather have that than freaking salt and grime, though. Remember that, guys. Bugs and pollen are a lot better than salt and snow. Remember that. I absolutely love back roads like this. Nice, windy hills, dips. Oh my gosh, they're so much fun. Even though my truck's a little bit wider now, so I have to make sure I stay in the middle of the lane. I just love back roads like this. Windows down, music up, country living at its finest, and it's finally almost summertime. Oh shit. So from Best Buy I went here to this little lakeside parking lot, little mini marina. Not really a marina because there's no docks or anything. But I couldn't find what I needed for the GoPro, so I think basically I have to order it online, but dang. Doesn't she look good next to the water? This summer we got kayaks at my house, so I am gonna go do a lot of kayaking. So I'll do like little montage videos of that. We'll fish off of them and stuff. So that'll be a lot of fun this summer. There's a lot of stuff planned for this summer for the truck guys. A lot of truck meets coming up. So make sure you stay up to date by going to my Instagram, following it. I'll post stuff through that, and I'll of course make videos on the events and stuff, where I'm gonna be at and stuff like that. But make sure you follow me on Instagram, guys, to keep up to date on everything. Well, it's Sunday, cars and coffees today, so we're heading over there. But as you can see, it's not the greatest weather for it, so who knows who's gonna show up. I don't know, it's gonna be a good time. I cannot wait to go and see a lot of people and stuff. I kept this one quiet though, because I just wanted to go and I can find all my buddies and just hang out there and relax for a little bit. But we'll see how it goes, guys. So, make the best out of every day, because you don't know if it's your last or not. Advice from Truck Some Water. So guys, we're at Cars and Coffee right now. It is currently raining. This is the first Cars and Coffee event we're raining at. Are you enjoying it so far? No. No? Okay, no. Never mind. But yeah, there's not a lot of vehicles here. We got my buddy though in his Silverado back there. You can't see him. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna walk around, see what we can find, stuff like that, and we'll go from there. Alright, so Cars and Coffee's not going that great. Kind of still raining out. Me and Caitlin walked around for a little bit. Yeah, it was not a great first induction for her. Which, granted, this is not a truck meet, so it's not, we're not technically at a truck meet. But, you know, usually Cars and Coffee, every Cars and Coffee I've ever been to, usually been really sunny. I don't know what the deal is today. It's weird. Thanks, East Tennessee weather. It's Thursday. Rod run prep is in full swing right now. The truck looks nasty thanks to pollen. Hate pollen, but it's still better than salt and snow. I'm gonna get the truck washed off, completely detailed 100% for tomorrow, and then rod runs tomorrow. So the vlog will pretty much end with the cleaning of the truck and stuff like that, guys. So yeah, but I cannot wait to get this truck ready for rod run 2K18. Well, guys, now the truck is washed and spray detailed. It looks really, really good right now. Got all the dirt and crud off of it. Just looks absolutely great. I don't have to worry about doing it tomorrow. I gotta do spray detail when I get there to make sure all the stuff's off of it. And it's ready to go. Rod run's almost here. Well, guys, I'm officially done for rod run. As you can see, the truck's all cleaned up, shiny. I'll do the final kind of clean at the cabin tomorrow. So that's gonna go down, do kind of the final clean of the cabin, get the windows cleaned off and stuff like that, and spray a bunch of, you know, detailer spray on it and stuff like that. But yeah, so she's ready to go pretty much. I do realize when I was doing this cleaning, eventually I'm gonna have to get paint corrected. The paint is in fantastic condition for the age. It's just that, you know, it is a 21-year-old truck. You know, at 21 years old, I've driven a lot. And it's just one of those things, guys. You gotta understand, like, if you want to keep up with an older truck, you're gonna have to do this kind of stuff. And it's starting to that point where I'm probably gonna have to start doing it. But, you know, it is what it is. I love the process of the build, and I would never ever trade it in for the world. And I also have to, you know, replace the windshield eventually too, because, you know, I got that nice crack going up the windshield now. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like the video, guys, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.